If PowerPoint is showing a runtime error 53, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This error is often caused by missing files, broken links, or add-ins interfering with PowerPoint. And the good news is that you can usually fix it without reinstalling everything. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more practical tech fixes, and let's jump right in. The first and most important step is to keep all of your files in one folder. This solves a huge number of PowerPoint file path issues. Start by creating a new folder on your computer, then move your PowerPoint presentation file into that folder. After that, move every related media file into the same folder as well, including videos, audio clips, images, and anything else the presentation depends on. Once everything is in one place, open PowerPoint again and test the file. If any media still needs to be linked, reinsert those files from the same folder. This keeps PowerPoint from looking in the wrong location and is often enough to clear the runtime error 53. If the problem is still there, the next step is to disable add-ins. Sometimes PowerPoint add-ins conflict with normal startup or file loading and trigger errors like this. Open PowerPoint and go to File, then Options, and then Add-ins. At the bottom of the window, look for COM add-ins. Select that option and then click Go. You'll see a list of installed add-ins, and now you want to uncheck all of them. After that, click OK and restart PowerPoint. If the error disappears, then one of those add-ins was likely the cause. You can turn them back on one by one later if you need to identify the exact one causing the issue. Next, you need to check the missing file path carefully. When the runtime error appears, read the error message closely and note the exact file name or path that's mentioned. Then open File Explorer and search for that file on your computer. If you find it, check whether it was moved, renamed, or saved in the wrong location. Move it back to the correct folder or update your presentation so it points to the correct path. Then open PowerPoint again and test the presentation. This step is especially useful when the error is caused by a broken reference to a file that no longer exists where PowerPoint expects it. To make the fix more reliable, always double check that your linked media is stored locally and not scattered across different drives or temporary download folders. PowerPoint works much better when every resource is easy to find. If you recently renamed folders or moved your presentation to another computer, those file links may have broken without you realizing it. That's why keeping your presentation and all supporting assets together is the safest way to avoid this error in the future. So to quickly recap, first, keep all of your PowerPoint files and media in one folder. Second, disable COM add-ins and restart PowerPoint. Third, inspect the error message, search for the missing file, and restore it to the correct location. In most cases, one of these three steps will solve PowerPoint runtime error 53. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes, and leave a comment if you want help with another PowerPoint error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.